111. Hello and welcome everyone. This is our first Hungarian Gypsy Ball on the Gold Coast. We are delighted to have you all here tonight, and we look forward to a wonderful evening. We are glad that you have decided to come tonight, and we would like to give a big thanks to the event organiser Gingy. A round of applause. Tonight you're going to be entertained by the Royal Gypsies, who are based on the Gold Coast. They are a family group that have recently come together under the title Royal Gypsies. You may have seen some of them perform previously over the years at multicultural festivals and a number of different festivals. And not to mention one of the biggest festivals in Queensland, Woodford Folk Festival. Let me cut to the chase and introduce the band to you. So first of all, our youngest member of the band is Robert Demeter on cymbalo. Peter Surmai on accordion, who's recently joined the family by marrying one of the daughters. He's a very multi-talented musician who plays a variety of instruments. Then we have my uncle, Jan Demeter on the double bass. My father, who a lot of you probably know, Vasilolo, also a multi-talented musician, and Primaž Vasilolo, my youngest brother. There's